Bern, Switzerland, October 19 and October 20. FuIll Spectrum. We're going to be starting off on the 19th. We're going to be doing basic introduction to Fairbairn method. Then switching over to the 20th, Sunday morning. We're going to get right away in with advanced technique Fairbairn method. Advanced technique will include takedowns and some other things, some escapes, and it will also include working with edged weapons and with batons. And we'll see the continuity between those and how one flows to the other. FuIll Spectrum is the way to go. FuIll Spectrum is the way to go. Now, remember, if you need any information, you contact Fairbairn H2H at protonmail.com. These guys are there to help you out. Great guys, they're going to do it. It's going to be a dynamite program. First time we've put it together in the whole thing to get a good snapshot of the entire program. Standalone skills, walk away with skills. Have a great